Hello, my name is Gabriela Lopez. I'm a quality manager and I have been in NatureSweet for almost 14 years. First, I want to say that I have a super team in each side of quality. During the day, we need to do the action plans to have the best quality in the tomatoes. We prefer to plant in the coconut husk because we have a better yield of water and better yield of nutrients. Every associate receives different training how to care the tomato in each step of the process. We harvest and transport the fruit carefully to the packing area. They receive washed tomato and packed tomato in the special containers, and we ensure the cold chain during all the process. In NatureSweet, we are looking for the best tomato, and we are always focused in the shape, in colors, in sizes, and obviously in the flavor. The tomato flavor is the same in summer or winter because the growers have the best strategy to ensure that the taste is always the same. At the end of the day, when we deliver the best quality to the customers, I feel a big challenge, a high responsibility, but it makes me feel very proud. I feel very happy to work in NatureSweet.